Like whether or not some of these frozen tree limbs that fell and snapped the power lines could have been prevented to begin with. FOX17 News Johnny Maffei's live for us this morning. He's been following the NES tree trimming process. And Johnny, we understand that the utility company says they seem to be kind of contradicting themselves with some of their messages.
Well, Justin, the NES website says that NES trimmed part of the tree trimming budget by millions of dollars. So we reached out, we asked about that. NES then claims that's false.
I want to clear up a question we've been asked frequently about reducing the budget from our vegetation management and tree trimming budget. That is false. That budget was actually increased every year for the past 4 years.
FOX17 News obtained the 2025 annual report stating, quote, a decrease in the following expense categories: tree trimming, $7.5 million. NES's own guidelines states crews manage vegetation every 3 to 4 years. So I asked about the routine over the last trimming cycle. I reached out yesterday morning and all we've heard was a social media post that you just heard, claiming there was no decrease in that trimming budget. Tree maintenance companies tell me maintenance and pruning for the trees, the trunks, the limbs, it does reduce the risk of power outages. NES has pruning guidelines for the height of the trees, the length of the branches near the wires, and the distance from those wires. It does depend on the voltage of the wires. So my next question to NES, whenever the next storm hits, what are you doing to get ready for that? We are still waiting to hear back on that, as tens of thousands of people are still waiting for the lights to be turned back on more than a week after the storm. And Monday, February 9th, is the current timeline for the last people to get back online on power, and that will be more than 2 weeks after that ice storm hit. Live this morning in Nashville, I'm Johnny Maffei. Justin, back to you.